Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Helper Official. In this video, we are going to share you another great project named Ethereum Finance, and the website name is ethereum.finance. As you know guys, there have been many scam projects daily come in the market. They come and scam very fast without paying our investment back. But this Ethereum Finance is a great trusted platform from a trusted admin. If you buy this token now, it may be profitable to you in the future. But you guys know you have to invest at your own risk only. We are not in financial advisor. So when you open this at ethereum.finance, you can see DeFi at your fingertips. Here you can join their airdrop, and here you can buy $Ether on the PancakeSwap. Here let's check what is Ethereum. Ethereum Finance is the only place on the DeFi where your assets will consistently grow with a minimum impact from Bitcoin and altcoin volatility. Here let's check the functions of this site. Here you can see save and buy to hold, liquidity locked and no fee function in the smart contract, no rug pull possible. Hold Ether to earn passive income or use it to buy stuff from our gift shop and get a ticket to join off all our events. Here you can join their pre-sale on DX sale. Here you can see another function is zero fee. You can trade on the PCS on 0% slippage. The third function is staking and farming. Stake and farm Ether to receive other tokens in our ecosystem and from our partners. It is coming soon. Here you can see one-click staking. Staking made simple with innovative UI, and you can stake with the most popular pairs out there like BNB, BTC and etc. Manage your portfolio. Manage your fund with profit tracking and portfolio overview. The first step of fund management is having an idea of how your portfolio is performing, and we take that seriously. This feature will be released and available to everyone by the end of the September. Here you can see grow your assets sustainably. Sustainability is at the core of our ecosystem. Most projects pump for a few days and the chart begin to flatten out. With our unique reward mechanism to keep the buying volume always higher than selling volume, your portfolio will grow at a sustainable price. Here you can have a look on the roadmap. The launch is the first phase, in orbit second phase is speed up third phase, and moon landing fourth phase. On the first phase, you can change token listing on PancakeSwap, listing CoinGecko and CoinMarketCapital, news and media release, audit release, 1000 holders. In orbit, you can see staking goes live, March store release, marketing campaign, and 5000 holders. Third campaign speed up, you can see NFT marketplace, big partnership, small exchange listing, and 10,000 holders. On moon landing, you can see portfolio tracking app, big partnership release, big exchange listing, and 20,000 holders. Here let's have a look on the tokenomics of the site. Here the token symbol is Ether, utility token in our Ethereum Finance ecosystem. 1 billion is the total supply, and you can see fixed supply from the beginning, no mint and fee function, no deflation, no dev token. Community decide how to use the marketing funds. It is safe to buy and hold. 90% of the fund raised from the pre-sale will be locked in liquidity for 1 year. Other token left in deployer wallet will be locked for staking reward after listing on PCS. You can see high reward is there, easy to buy, staking and farming with Ether to earn high reward in long term. Play with us. You can see APY will be up to 500%. Here you can join their social media account if you want to join. Let's have a look on the BSC scan contract address. Here's the contract address, and here's the balance and BNB value. You can see token tracker is Ether and contract trader at NTXN. You can see here when you go down, you can simply see the transactions. Here's the token chart of this token. You can see the Ether BNB live price, total supply. You can see here market capital is $75k, and here you can simply see the chart, and here you can simply find the transactions. You can buy this token on the PancakeSwap. Here to simply click I understand, then click import, then you can simply set from BNB to Ether or BNB to or any other cryptocurrency. Here you can see the merge shop. It will be released soon, so you can see this all. So if you like this token, you will get all the links of buying in the description, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video.